Hi guys! Welcome back to Sailor Voice, and today, let's talk about people na parang full-time job ang bantayan ka. At ang goal lang nila sa buhay ay ipahiya ka. Kung naranasan mo to, this episode is for you. May mga tao talagang walang ibang ginawa, kundi bantayan lahat ng galaw mo. Lahat ng post mo, may side comment. Lahat ng kilos mo, may reaction sila. Hindi dahil concerned sila kundi dahil abangar sila sa pagkakamali mo. Because people who are happy with their lives don't monitor other people's lives. So kung parati kang binabantayan, pinag-uusapan, at pinapahiya, that's not because you're doing something wrong. That's because you're doing something right. They shame you publicly para maramdaman nila na mas mataas sila sa'yo. They embarrass you para ma-cover up ang insecurities nila. Kasi mas madaling manira kesa ayusin ang sarili. Ang taong secure sa sarili, walang oras mang stress sa buhay ng iba. Yung laging nakaabang sa'yo, yung masaya kapag nadapa ka, yung parang may say sa lahat ng ginawa mo, those people are afraid na ma-outgrow mo sila. Hindi mo kailangan mag-explain. Hindi mo kailangan patunayan ang worth mo. At lalo hindi mo kailangang pumatol. Silence is not weakness and silence is control. Hayaan mo silang manood. Habang sila, busy kakabantay sa'yo. Ikaw, busy sa pag-angat. People who watch don't lead. And people who lead don't watch. Again, this is your Sailor Voice. Stay quiet, stay focused, and stay powerful.